he always enjoyed most was working around lawyers. My dad did it all. He worked as a solo, he worked in a big firm, and he spent the last 20 years as a trial judge. I think my father has endeavored through his legal career to advance the legal profession. And I think he's tried to do that not only within the legal community, but also within the community in which he lives. That is Augusta-Richmond County and also the state of Georgia. We're all very proud of the accomplishments he's had, and we're very proud that he's received this award.
He led by example. He was conservative but compassionate. The difficult cases, for example, where he may have had to exercise a mandatory minimum, he'd come back to the office, we'd talk, and he said, boy, I sure hated having to send that kid to prison. Very conservative, very thorough, always concerned about our resources. I refer to him as the Joshua of this Judicial Center because he led us into the $67 million facility and was always concerned about a good place to do the people's business and about good resources for the people that work with us.
I think what is so admirable about Judge Overstreet is not only is he smart, he has integrity. Judge Overstreet has the ability to treat everyone in every role with dignity and respect.
I can tell you how he has impacted my life in many different ways, not just with the law, but also with what we do with Dream Builders of America's youth. He was very supportive. If we needed a judge to come out and speak on panels in the high schools, he would come and talk to them. And for you to be able to get to your chief judge in a phone call and say, look, I have a bunch of kids who need to hear from you, and for them to take time from their court schedule to come, he was always right there. All of us, when we went into Judge Overstreet's courtroom, felt like I think our clients would get a fair opportunity to be heard. And that's really all that you can ask for. And so those of us who worked under him got to, treat other people that way. So he's had a significant impact on this community and different lawyers, I can tell you that.
Great sense of family. And again, that was a source of inspiration to me because he really loved and provided for and led his family in addition to his persons in the profession that we share.
In his retirement, he's promised us he's going to play more golf with us, and we look forward to that because he usually shares $1 or $2 with us after he's played his round of golf. So we'll be glad to have him back more often on the golf course. It's hard to imagine anybody that could have performed their judicial duties and the role model as a judge and a lawyer any better than Carlisle Overstreet. And so it's a delight that Mercer is recognizing his body of work, his lifetime of achievement. We need people like him to hold up to others as an example of what we should all aspire to and try to do.